Welcome back to my channel. I'm back to my channel. Na-retrieve ko na yung account. I'll be talking about more details on another video na lang. Kasi in today's video guys, magpapakulay ako ng buhok. Sana makapasok ako sa Mandaue. Parang may checkpoint ata. So, I don't know. We'll see. Sana makapunta ako doon. So, ayun. May tumutubo ko tayong nilalang dito. And thank you, Sir Mark. Wala pa ganun excited. Pero thank you so much, Elysian Salon Cebu. I'll be putting the name here, their Facebook page. So, that is 6:30 and ewan ko kung bakit early ako. Nasa malayo pa ako from Mandaue. So, malayo pa yung bahay ko. Sa kabundukan sila. So, I'll get back to you guys later. Yes! Ad break muna! ELEVATIONE sent me these skincare products. The package comes with a cleansing gel. Ayan, nahihirapan ako kasi very runny siya guys. Not your typical gel talaga. And also it comes with day cream. Ayan. Night cream, serum, and 24K magnetic mask, which you will see later. Ayan, ipapakita ko naman siya guys. And I'm super duper in love with the packaging kasi kita niyo sa center niya may clock, ayan. And familiar siya, diba? So the packaging is inspired by Salvador Dali, yung tito. Charot. He is a Spanish artist guys and siya yung nag-paint ng Persistence of Memory. Diba kita niyo yung clock? Yun yan. Already washed my face using the cleansing gel and applied 24K magnetic mask and seals. So, mahirap siyang tanggalin. Kasi maliit lang yung magnet niya, but it's fun and satisfying. And I apply serum all over my face at mas naging smooth yung face ko since may dimeticon siya, which is also present sa primer. And lastly, moisturizer. Ayan. Overall, okay lang siya para sa akin, but hindi ko siya magagamit since I have dry skin. It gives me enough moisture lang, but I want more sa aking dry skin kasi never enough. Never. But check them out guys. Ayan, all links are on description box below. Bye-bye! We're here na guys and we're currently lost. So, nandito na kami sa Vel Ouano Center. Okay, kita na po. Guys, nandito na ako sa Elysian Salon Cebu. And it's already 9:35 and I'll tour you around. Since may COVID, so syempre dapat may protection. Bala ko din pa ganito guys, pero parang mas hassle siya. Magpapakulay lang ako sa mga guys, DIY lang ako, but for the first time, nagpapakulay ako sa salon. So, maganda dito guys kasi nagsa-strand test muna sila to test if mag-lighten ba yung hair ko quickly, gano'n. First time ko siyang matry ng ganitong way of hair color. That's nice. So, yung buhok ko guys is considered long na. So, mga 4-5 yung price. Ari na lang mo sa Elysian. Elysian ba? Pag-pronounce mo?
Yes po, Elysian.
Elysian Cebu. Ayan. Nasa Mandaue sila guys. I'll just be linking it down below. Sabi na ako, mga foiland ako buhok.
Magkakapagod tayo. Hindi na kaya mo yun, bugat pa yan siya. Mastagal sa scalp. Pero so dapat hindi mastagal sa scalp.
Ayan guys, first process is highlight. And tapos na sila lahat. Yung hair ko kasi may may kulay na Tapos, ayan, i-redo nila lahat kasi may kulay yung ends ko. Top part sa hair ko is already virgin, so okay lang siya. But the ends is may kulay pa, so dapat i-redo pa siya. So, ayan, para pantay yung kulay. Nagandahan ako sa sarili ko. Ganito talaga.
Ganun pa rin, hindi ka po niya makuha mo. Oh, purple shampoo. Tapos na siya. It's alright. You will be given this one, steps on how to treat your hair, ganon. So, ayan, perfect. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you po. Thank you for helping me. Ayan guys, punta lang kayo dito sa ELEVATIONE Salon. Ayan, sa Maguikay, Mandaue. But all the details will be down below. So don't worry. Nasa highway siya, tapos dito sila. Ayan, sa ground floor. Ayan.